Hello guys. Oh, how are you doing? There's this strategy I want to let you take note of. You should try to know it, like you should try to take note of my settings. This strategy is for jump 100. I discovered this strategy when one of my clients I traded for him, but due to dairy manipulation and there was a downtime on their dairy server. I lost the account. So I thank God it's not even my own capital, so I lost it. So this strategy right now, I was able to understand the market, understand some of dairy manipulation. What did I say before? No, for now, there's no uh, take profits. Let me start the votes. And the payout for jump 400 is 0.25. When you lose, you will increase your stake in putting it manually. The advantages of that is the first entry. That's your just make sure you have a strong network. The first entry is the main entry. So if you miss it, you have to input your stake manually. So it may take some time to analyze the markets for you to get entry. So you have to be patient. But sometimes it doesn't take that much time. So it depends on the markets. So let's wait and see. I pray it enter its rate. Sometimes it takes a while, it will take a lot, and sometimes it won't take that much. The payout is low and it's trading even abroad. So with this strategy, you can grow gradually, gradually. Trading is about risk. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But the important thing is you just stay consistent. Uh, I may fast this video. I may fast forward it. So in case I want to publish it, you will see it fast forwarded. So mm-hmm. we have a retro. We lost that. We will now put some. So, yeah, I put start again. So I will put 0.01 just for the bot to stop. Just for the bot to stop when I make profits. That's why I put that 0.00. The bot will stop. If I lose that one again, I will increase my stake to 1.6, 1.67. So surely, it's either maybe 3 or 4 times you hit stake. Sometimes it doesn't take that long. Another loss, you just have to keep trying. 0.6, 1.6. We will get there, we will get there. Yo, you seen it? So 0.35. Go back to 0.35. Zero base Just wait and continue again. So the first entry is the main. Let me increase my stick. I'm playing nice. Stars. Something. Yeah. As you can see, if you have a good capital, you can scale with this. Or let me do it like this. Whenever I lose small, 0.35. Okay. You're going now. Whenever I lose small amounts, I go viral. Let's see. Let me go for 2 years. Since I know there is higher chances of me winning the recoveries. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, where did I go press now? Sorry, I will cut this part. That's connected. So let me go. Let me go back. Let me go for 6. Yeah. Can you see? It's all about knowing when you will win. It may take a while, does it? It may take a while, but just know you will win. So you need a lot of capital for this strategy. You need a good capital. Let me just say $50 upward. So let me see if I can take some few metrics. You start small and you expand. You go aggressive. That is the strategy. It's for people but you will surely make profits with this strategy. But you have to. It depends on you. You can be conservative, like when you lose, you just do as I was doing it. Yeah, 0.7, a little like it. Or if you want to go crazy, if you have a good capital, start increasing your stake. You're increasing it massively just to take advantage.